Welcome back, truth seekers. Today, we're diving headfirst into the Sunrise, Florida DMV, a place where a routine visit turns into chaos. Our returning auditor walks in, camera rolling, only to face the same supervisor who lost her cool last year. But this time, she doesn't just get frustrated, she shuts down the entire DMV. Imagine dozens of taxpayers frozen in line while one employee's ego dictates service. Will common sense win, or will authority misuse spiral out of control? Stick around because the stakes and the drama are real and you're about to witness it all unfold.
All right, go get him.
I know what you're doing, sir. I know what you're doing.
Okay, so
My
then,
cousin doing this interview.
so then why don't you let me come in?
Let me go get her.
For what?
That's what they told me to do.
Okay,
I'm
go.
doing the job, sir.
Go ahead.
Wait for me.
Go ahead, man.
Sir, we just will not listen to you. You just told me
Why are
go
you
wait for
yelling?
me.
Why are you yelling, bro?
No, see, there you go.
Relax,
There you go again.
bro.
No,
Why
sir,
are you yelling?
I'm talking to you, sir. Just wait for me over there, please.
All right,
Let
bro,
me wait
you
the
are
supervisor
yelling,
come
bro.
talk to you.
You're yelling, bro.
I'm not yelling, sir. I'll just wait for me. I'll get the supervisor come talk to you.
Go ahead.
Okay, just wait for me over there. You
No,
go
I'll
bring
wait
the
right here.
door
It's
now.
hot outside, bro. I'll wait right here by the door.
Over there, sir. Please,
No, I'm not
please
waiting.
Wait over there and come over
Sir,
there.
you're making a big issue here, bro.
Sir, please wait for me.
You're
over there.
making a
Give me
big
minutes, sir.
issue here. Let me wait in the AC, bro.
You gotta wait for me, sir. It's not like this. Wait for me. Let me go
Let
get
me
her
wait in
for
the
you.
AC.
You just told me you're going to allow me to go get it.
Go ahead.
Soon I'm coming, you open the door.
Go ahead. Yeah, because it's hot, dude.
Okay. What's everybody that's waiting over
I
there?
don't care about them.
You don't care about
No.
it. You don't do any content, right?
No.
You do working on the
yeah, but you're interrupting my work.
professionally, right?
You're interrupting my
I'm not,
work.
I'm not telling you. I know exactly what you're doing, sir.
All
That's
right,
what I
let
wait
me
for over there.
wait right here, bro.
No, you can wait for me over there, sir.
Dude, you see what you're doing?
You doing it.
Nah.
See, he said what I'm doing.
Yeah, that's your fault, bro. Don't touch me. Jesus. Don't touch me, bro. Jesus. All right, so we're in, guys. We are in. Let's see how this works. I don't want to be on camera. She's already bugging out. So,
Here's the first lesson. When public employees can't cite a law, they default to procedure. And procedure isn't law. The security guard insists, wait outside. The auditor stays calm, filming every move. It's subtle but powerful. Authority is being flexed without legal backing. This is exactly where these encounters spiral out of control. People confuse procedure with law, and tempers flare. Remember this moment, because it's a textbook example of policy versus rights in action.
it's pretty packed. It's pretty busy. And there's people to sign in right there. Yo, I pulled a quarterback sneak on that freaking security being stupid. So, let me see over here. This is all I wanted to do. Take a quick little walk around this little DMV area here. And this is the testing area over here. This guy's taking a test. And it seems pretty busy. They have 21 stations, guys. 21. That's what it looks like to me. And this is pretty damn busy. Look at all these people. Look at all these people, guys. Our public employees at work. It is a busy DMV here.
Check this out. Classic DMV tension. The security guard acts like a gatekeeper, the auditor is calm but firm, and policy becomes a weapon. Ask yourself, Who's really in the right here? The citizen documenting public service, or the official using procedure as a barrier? And notice how tone changes everything. The auditor stays icy calm while the guard escalates. Proof that sometimes patience and clarity beat authority and aggression every time.
DMV over a video camera. It's insane, bro. It's insane, dude. Let's take a look around this way. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. Right here? Is this good? Don't do that. You can't stop service for this. No, you can't. I don't want to file a complaint on you. You can't do that. I know where I can video at. I know where I can video at, but you can't stop people from serving them. You can't do that. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. I'm coming over here to this side, not because she's telling me, but I want to catch this whole thing over here. I don't care. Don't mind your business.
Don't mind my business. You got me on fucking camera. Take it out of here.
Causing a disturbance.
You're the one that's causing the disturbance.
How's that?
It's you.
How's that?
It's you.
How's that? Now you're going to become a YouTube internet.
This is the tug-of-war moment. The security officer insists, wait outside, while the auditor says, it's public space. Both think they're right, but only one has the law behind them. Government buildings like DMVs are public property. You can film, as long as you're not in restricted areas. The officer's rising voice, a classic sign of losing the argument. The auditor, ice-cold calm. This is where emotion trumps logic, and cameras turn predictable power plays into accountability.
Start. You're going to be in the Karen group.
Oh, really?
You're so ridiculous.
I think you're the
You're
Karen.
absolutely insane,
You're the
dude.
fucking Karen.
You're absolutely dumb. You're ridiculous. I'm here where she's telling me to stand. I just want to test that. Yeah, if you don't like it, go to another DMV. Look. Oh, well. It's public. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Thank you. Tell her something, even though you're a jerk. Look, I'm right here, exactly where she's telling me to stand. Right? And I'm just testing the waters, bro. That's it. Don't do that. Look at this lady.
Here's where things get critical. Any physical contact, no matter how minor, can turn a peaceful audit into a civil rights issue. Notice how the moment a hand reaches out, the dynamic flips. The auditor, standing his ground, instantly becomes the reasonable party in the viewer's eyes. Officials often rely on body language dominance, blocking movement, stepping closer, but in the age of cameras, that tactic backfires fast. Visual evidence protects citizens and exposes overreach.
And wait for your turn when you're in the DMV. But this is absolutely ridiculous, dude. You guys can't do that, bro. You guys are wrong. I'm gonna file complaints in this whole building, dude. They can't do that. Look, they stopped service to the whole DMV over a bullshit video camera. You think that's gonna make me leave? That's gonna make me stay. So I advise you guys to mind your business. Each and every one of you, if you don't like it. These people are wrong. Look. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm gonna end up leaving because I got consideration to people. But this DMV needs to learn a lesson, dude. Look, I am even standing and I stood where she told me to, and they're still stopping service. You see that? It's crazy. Let me see if I can get her name. Still, I remember her from last time. Excuse me, I'm gonna leave, but can I speak to you for a moment? Before I leave? What's your name again? I got it on the last video that I was at. Did you call the cops? Because if you did, I'll stay and wait for them. I'll wait outside. That way you can serve the people.
Deja vu hits hard here. The same supervisor from last year recognizes the auditor instantly, and instead of learning, doubles down, halting service for the entire DMV. Dozens of taxpayers now wait because one employee refuses filming. This is where ego trumps logic, and public service turns into personal vendetta. Remember, when officials allow emotion to guide actions, the public bears the cost. And the lesson is clear. Accountability
I wasn't
always
talking
wins
to
on
anybody.
camera.
I was in the public area here, recording, seeing how they operate, and that's it. And I was gonna leave.
All right, man. Very simple. Don't record any of their
No.
paperwork. You need anything from us?
No, I don't.
Have a good day.
Thank you. See, it's not that hard. Thank you very much. Can I get your badge number, sir?
3596.
Have a good day.
You too.
That's it. You see? I want everybody to see that what I'm doing is my right to do it. Yeah, it don't matter. There's a lot of shit that is pain in the ass in the world, and I gotta deal with it, bro. If you don't like it, go to another DMV. Whoever said that. Ridiculous, dude. Ridiculous. So, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and leave. I'm gonna file a complaint on this lady for stopping the whole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and leave because I got considerations to you people, man. I'm gonna leave, but I don't have to. That's wrong what they're doing. You all have a good day, man. Stupid.
Yeah, whatever the case are, whatever. But if that's what they want to do, that's what they want to do.
Have a good day, man. We're gonna go ahead and wait for them to leave.
Yeah, everybody's upset at it. Yeah. All right. You too. Yeah, man, you're making everybody upset.
By this, I wasn't even
Yeah.
speaking to nobody.
I know.
They flipped out. They gotta learn a lesson. We have a right, bro. I have a right.
I know.
That's it.
But you're also pissing everybody else off.
Dude, that's not my, doesn't trump my rights, bro. There's a lot of things.
And here comes the classic Karen cameo. The random bystander who takes offense at someone else filming, screaming loud enough for everyone to hear. Irony alert. Complaining about being filmed while causing a scene herself. Moments like this highlight a deeper truth. People fear accountability. The camera doesn't lie. It exposes hypocrisy, doubles down on responsibility, and makes every interaction a public lesson. Ask yourself, would you have stayed calm in that chaos?
Not to take video, bro. Have a good day, man. Again. Yeah.
Excuse me. Next week.
Yes.
Inside, please.
Oh, man, I thought I was done.
I thought I was done, so I'm sorry.
Oh, I guess not.
Run around, man.
Hey, is your body? You guys got body cams? Is it on?
No, we're not interacting with her.
Hey, I want to be on.
Well, you're interacting with me, right? It's on. You're in a call. It should be on.
Well, we finished. We're done.
Was it on inside?
Yeah.
It should be on right now.
We're not.
It's not on. Your body cams are not on. What should?
Do you need something else?
No, but I want to request that. This is why,
Oh,
you know.
well, you can request his.
No, and I want to request all of you.
You're gonna request mine.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, we were inside and we were talking.
You're not turning it on right now
Why do you?
because you're interacting with me. You
So
see,
let's break it
that's-
down. Our auditor exercised his right to film in a public building, remained calm, and navigated multiple confrontations. Security, supervisors, and bystanders alike. The takeaway? Authority without legal basis can escalate fast, but patience, knowledge of your rights, and cameras as witnesses protect citizens. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and public service breakdowns.